what we love about you is every single time you get on that stage, you surprise us because you don't do the same thing twice. And laging may bago kang ino-offer. And that also goes to show how great of a singer you are.
Si Sofia naman, tulad na sabi ni Migs, iba-ibang style, iba-ibang side, iba-ibang hinihanda niya every round. And ito iba na naman. Like, hanggang ngayon, nakakatakot siyang song for a lot of singers kasi si Kyla, ibang animal talaga din siya talaga kumantay at kumulot. And she took on the challenge and surpassed everyone's expectations. So, kudos to you, Sophia. Much respect.